mamas and daddies, I am Pratiksha and I welcome you all to our channel My Career Motherhood. Today I am here with a Indian traditional medication for babies who are suffering from gas, acidity, bloating and colic problem. So this is basically asafoetida paste which we in India apply a lot to our babies, and this really works wonder when as and when you know that the baby is suffering from gas or anything. Just make this paste easily, because this asafoetida is generally found in everybody's kitchen. You just need to mix it with warm water and apply it to your baby's tummy. That's it. So what are the signs baby give us that the baby is suffering from gas? When the baby brings his knee towards the tummy and again keeps on bringing the tummy, it means, and crying a lot, wailing a lot, it means the baby is basically having gas and acidity problem. And once you see that this is the problem arising with the baby, just make this asafoetida paste, which I'm going to show you very soon in the video later, and just apply in a right manner, which is again shown in the video, and your baby is very peacefully happy and will sleep nicely. So first watch the video and then we will talk about some important tips related to asafoetida. So first of all, here I am boiling my water, though I don't need so much, but still I am boiling little. Then the main ingredients are this hing or the asafoetida and a bowl in which we are going to make the mix. My water has boiled completely. Now I am going to take out hing from the back side of the spoon. It's around 2 pinch of asafoetida which you are going to take. 2 pinch is more than enough for one application, and then we are going to mix water in it. Don't mix a spoonful at one go. Add water slowly so that the hing or the asafoetida starts dissolving in the water nicely. You will be able to see that the asafoetida has completely changed the color. The water has changed the color. This is one of the most important sign to check whether mix is completely and properly prepared or not. I am adding few more drops of water because I think some more drop is required, and my mixture is completely ready to be applied on the baby. But make sure the mix is lukewarm enough. Don't put the hot mix on the baby's tummy, it may harm them. So see, you have seen that the watercolor has changed, and this is just done for one application only. And what mothers generally do, they make lots of paste and they say that it really don't work. See, this paste only works best when made immediately and applied at one go only. And here what I am seeing, here I am checking whether the paste is sticky or not. This is one more important characteristic to make the right paste. So the two things which you have to check is that the color of water has changed and the paste is sticky or not. Now we are applying this on the baby's tummy in the clockwise direction. Make sure it should be in the clockwise direction, and do gentle massage around the navel, not inside the navel. Make sure you should not put it inside the navel. It can cause reaction and allergies. So in this way, keep on massaging and let it dry. So here you have seen how we have made this asafoetida paste. Just make sure you make in the correct manner as shown in the video and apply in the clockwise direction. Once you apply it to the babies around the navel area, don't put inside the navel area, because that may cause allergy and reaction or infection in your baby's tummy. So we just make sure that we are applying around the navel area in a clockwise direction and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Let it dry. Once it gets dried up, try to make baby burp nicely, and then do some cycling exercise, tummy exercise, on which I will show you another video. A dedicated video will be done for that and will be posted on the channel soon. And then once the area gets dry, just wipe off that area with normal water, room temperature water, and your baby will be immediately get relief from gas. But in case you are seeing that even after doing this your baby is crying a lot, wailing a lot, then please don't wait and rush to doctor for any medicinal checkup or whatever medicine your doctor has given you, colic related to colic, to give to your baby that. Asafoetida is very much herbal in nature and is considered to be a herbal medication, as it has antibacterial and antiseptic properties. So this is one of the major feature of asafoetida, as it gives a very soothing effect when applied not only with the babies but also we adults, when we consume it, we feel very very relaxed after consuming it, if we are suffering from gas or bloating, any kind of issues. Also, it has very good properties to cleanse the colon, to have a nice bowel movement, and also it solves all the stomach upset problem. Also, it is considered to be the best Indian remedy to combat with infant acidity or colic problem. So this is the best thing you can do instantly with your baby once you see that the baby is suffering from acidity or gas. Another substitute of this is that Mama Earth is an Indian product which I personally highly recommend. So in case you are traveling anywhere with your baby, it's not every time possible that we carry aspartame in our bag. So the best thing is that you can have this roll on. It is made of hing and basically fennel. You can keep this in your diaper bag. Apart from this, this product is very much made safe, 100% certified brand, as it is free from alcohol, SLS, parabens, any kind of preservatives. Apart from that, it is very good because it is the main ingredients of Mama Earth roll on is that it is consists of fennel oil, hing oil, and then dill seed oil, then peppermint, which gives very very soothing effect to the baby. So you can just go this as a substitute for your baby. So this is the complete thing about hing paste. I hope you got the complete information about the thing. Just make sure that whenever you are seeing any kind of acidity or stomach upset, indigestion, bloating problem with your baby, just make this remedy, hing paste remedy, instantly and apply on your baby, because home remedies generally work only and only when they are done at the first stage of the problem. Later you have to go to doctor or rush to your doctor, or you have to give medicine, and this I preferably don't recommend, because I really avoid going to doctor place, and I believe in this home remedies much more than giving medicines to my baby. So I hope you got complete information about the video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share with everyone, all the mothers who need this kind of help. So this channel is basically for them too. So till then, happy parenting, happy life, stay healthy, stay happy, and goodbye.